Hi, this is Poppy's Workshop, June 7th, live stream update. I'm going to arbitrarily call it number 5. Because I decided to call it number 5. How this is going to work. I don't want money. What I want is metal. The way I'm going to run this auction, sort of like an eBay auction. Start out bidding an end mill piece of silicon bronze, you know. Of course, there is the buy it now price of a 60-piece set of number reamers. But you know, for the entertainment value, you guys are going to want to stretch it out. You know, egg each other on. You know. I mean, after all, I'm leaving this auction open starting from June 7th till June 23rd when I go live again. Announce the winner, and I get out the scissors and the electric clippers. And you start seeing a lot more skin above the neck here. Hey now, you want to bid on a sideburn? How about you want to see me go to a Mr. Pete length goatee? Or maybe you want to see my beautiful cleft chin? And of course, a lot of you out there are going to want to buy this. You know, have fun bidding it up. And don't think of it as, you know, I don't know what horrible thing you could think of thinking of it as. Think of the entertainment value for you, the YouTube creator out there, like Lipton. You know that silicon bronze you love so much? You must have a piece of it laying around you don't know what to do with. Wouldn't you like to see me emulating the monkeys and the football with it? Yeah, that could be popcorn and beer time at the Lipton house. Now, let's maybe some 17.4. You know, I've always wanted to cut a little 17.4 and heat treat it. And what I've seen, I'm thinking smear it with Vaseline and put it in the kiln. See how black I can get that stuff. Yeah, anyway. The entertainment value. You CNC guys out there, I know you're throwing away tools. I don't like the color of it. Look perfectly sharp to me. You know, so keep it in proportion with what I'm doing. I'm running a shear line lathe, the shear line milling machine. Those are the big machines in the shop. So don't send me a propeller shaft from a destroyer. I'll tell you exactly where. Post your bids. You can do it in the comments. You know, they'll show up the top of my screen, you know. It'll be fun for you guys. Oh, one thing. If you want to see this upper lip, it will cost you. That right there is the thing you have to get past the number reamer's threshold to see is the upper lip. Last time I shaved the mustache was 1995. Half of it got lit on fire in the shop. So, oh no, it is going to burn, they have a scar. So, the mustache will cost you guys. It's going to be worth it? Only you guys